all my gamers. Today we're gonna play some more Life of Paradise. How many times drops somebody in bed? Alright, let's play some more I'm a teenager. Yeah. I wanna get some girlfriends. Alright, can I adopt when I'm a teenager? Alright, let's put my roleplay name. Let's put my name. No, that's not my name. Alright, let's go. What's up, bro? My name is Amos Gaming. Yeah, that's my name. That's my channel. Alright, let's get some shirts. Alright guys, we're gonna first, just because I'm a teenager, I have to get some shirts. I have to look sexy, bro. I need to look some sexy. Let's change hair. What the? Oh. Look at this. Oh, this dude has 8-pack. This dude has 8-pack. This dude has. Look up. Those abs are so. Oh, I look sexy. Let's see how we troll people. Oh, guys, I look swagger. Everybody get your swag on. Swag on. I don't wanna go to the swag on. I look so sad. Alright, let's be like this.
You know you feel like boy, press play.
Enjoy this music, guys.
Only is you got me feeling like.
Whoa, just finished. Oh, I can do a flip or what? Let's go, Sheila. Oh. Oh my God, Sheila. Party time.
Who already blew his shot?
Oh my God, that was too loud. Alright, let's check this. Alright, we already checked sick clothes. I have a baby? Oh, shut up. Alright, let's go to the store. Alright, honey. Sup, honey? It says blocks closed. Oh, she gave me my baby. Baby, no. Chill out. Do I look sexy? I'm gonna say, do I look sexy? Do I look sexy? So that I'm gonna just. Say, do. Wait, I'm gonna reset my character. I'm gonna say, do I sexy? You saw me die when you go to the trick. So I'm gonna say, do I? Let's see. Do. Wait, this is not for texting. What is do? I forgot how to spell. I. So, L-O-O-K. Do I look sexy? Hey, do I look sexy? She doesn't have it. Do I look sexy? Do I look sexy? Do I look sexy or what? Oh, alright. So it's this. Do I look sexy? Do I look sexy? Look, every time I touch somebody, they're just, I'm a parent and a teenager. I'm gonna change to this. Do I look sexy? Alright, let's get a baby. Baby girl. Right now. Is it too late to say sorry? Is it coming myself? They know when I need my love. You just feel like I'm sexy. Do I look sexy? Baby, 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 no. Look, baby. Hey, this looks like a escape game. Escape? Oh, shoot. Luke, newborn. She's newborn. You messed up, sexy. Oh, this Ferrari. Ooh. Oh, she wants me. Chill out, girl. Thank you, girl. Hey, baby girl. You're really good. You just run out. No! I'm a good driver, actually. Alright, let's go. I dare myself to do this. Run. No, I cannot do that. Okay, what's yet? What does that mean? I buy. What did I even buy for this? Oh! Oh! Oh, my car is burned down. Ah, ah, ah. What the heck? This is like... Sexy funny. Alright, that's how I'm gonna end the video. Okay, bye.